Agus fáiltí hiic na Seancellies mas máileh seansa ghlachu ghlaciad na Seancellies. Is mise Hugh McGill cheara agus seo é an finale don Sraith seo an cin bhuain seo in dóhhain gur just háisiimiide agus in dóile mhain seo go béh seo an sílahhain as if we've only ever had one Sraith. Agus just a gáil agus gáil agus a gáil. Ach tá muid faoi dhearú ag an dearú don Sraith seo. Not dearú an pod, obviously. We'll be back. Good job na neor. Agus nar béimiid arás, béimiid arás le chuid cólacha, le chuid cairde ar dúspáir tá man seo le Áine bhuiir. Áine, go dtí mar tú?
Mai, tá maid seo sáile gan na chláir, ag garcar mháú cute an seo an aclum. So na hílumm bheith gar an tínta jazz. But you know, fáil has a cahar is just get to book downtime of them.
Just really a gurcané mechéin, just you know, fáil hasan an buzzer fud sa cahar caiimiid rás agus ma chud roots amsú arís.
I'm telling you.
Just be in touch with myself and Tamerfad. Agus a canfad a been a touch le hain tam an seo fásta le James ó Fláir James do tú.
Yeah, you know, so you've been an intro is accurate. Yeah, the deal.
Listen, caiime just start that shot this and Lothario Fláirta stereotype them to Curly Calla. Listen. Do you know what I mean though? Like tam Gary just James you know, Jerry Hishman go go fall singles which you know, to just in his self-care era, a gurcaní hain. Ag Jimmer to this is James.
Come on. Toma Marquette Áine, Toma Ballywada, Toma Smala, try to Garua. Ach, there's a fucking breeze on. Get the wrong name shit. It's a match.
Yeah. Shaw climate change. Spread of the echo. It's a class, you know. There's you know, just Janet Shaquille, there's schnackte and Kedlad and Charry.
Ach mas cuivan le bhgéirt, bhí sneachta mí Marta in uirí cumáid, mar han sé níos as bín tú mága fuim fuchan your Snapchat úsad ach tá haní sé níos mo chud Snapchat memories, gró sneachta mí Marta in uirí. So sin darbhlín as a chéile de seo.
Darbhlín as a chéile, de sin gró sneachta in mí fiabhar revision, like tá speech or whatever. Ach ní Harley seo Rio rivet, seo A&I, seo like an hot take at home. Go bhfuil Aru Eraja Alk. You heard it here first, folks.
Whoa! Ní dóna bhí eile sin go fáil. Wow.
Sin é agus ní gar bheith Lord as, you know, our son, but tá just to gar rag bheith view Seansálaithe na go bhfuil Aru Eraja Alk.
Okay, Evelyn Cusack, get her on the phone. Like, this is breaking news.
You need some Kenur. It done to this a shot. In the jackhammer because sir that was groundbreaking.
Meteorologist na gael.
It's a really like an amsure or armsid you know Shaw and Tamerfad
agus you be football special
agus bay football special agus being good job
hey
budjal ogum yesk and Tamerfad is a Shaw lahai decorative purposes.
Yeah, but you'll actually like feebly in the agus go home on a
Yeah, it's in your chun shawl harp. I think I put shot that chocolate all. And topic at oging done Eagrán shot. Agus galn would Steve the main topic oging the gra. It's just gonna much Jeremy Darhu. It's actually we shot that same topic on Eagrán Jerna. A quite much rant fi call in the hedge. So agus two gay shot la shaw. Ní vein Virginia like hella. Ní vein would se cheer here in their heartbeat. Mark how much your fad. Ag taistal anis agus tú géisi le seo bimimejinge ag futral hart timppel an dóin.
Bei an clóta misdivision imio an tíd.
Yeah, be a spage a ma ar fudfad na dóin.
Air sin just gitabug ní séit me be an what they can just differul in chat an seo. Cé a tarlu.
Be hanning a wad ní sacra na the ra sin raibh ní bhéh an catalyst of chaos and sin is the mask na bhéil. So bimidir fád imithe ar dúspáir Áine, cábhfuil is a gá?
Well sa gran mar sin go bhéh seo an chéidir go mé muid a le haar leir ag an am díireach chéine. So just an dibrí sem má ionta túide, Jared na Sraithe, you know, muid a ligur siar ag an am chéine, absolutely delicious, just gur hardly sem mar sin. But Bei mise a dul dearhannig an áis massa den an trí áitiúil muidir le gáil. go dtí an Bhriotáin túisceart na Franca le bheith mar chuid de éile cheoil tradiisiúnta ba chunne deir seach na Lala Park. So be mé casa ceol le geolcrom le meismóí agus múna ranganí concertín hansin agus déanana coppla gig. So ní me sú leis an úirt meallar gur chaid me se tréimhse hall sa Bhriotáin don Erasmus agus ní hé an tréimhse is deise I mo híal, get a bit grim, get a bit lia, just kind of uignach mar áit, so tas ar PTSD ar ma dul ras an inis, I'm like, oh. Jé mar bhí mé mothú dul ras an jo.
The croissants. Hey, the masma. Hey, no, ní féidir le
I don't want your macarons.
No, please.
But ní me sú an urchin leis mar just mohím dúirt mé ar dagman ar dúirna nach rahin riú arás. So tá me súil go mé taí níos dearfiú go manúir seo, míall go mé dul am Witcher agus go mé dul an chuinna cis and tá me súil go mé seo arás.
Cén féile ceoil
Fête San Juan.
Ooh la la.
Just féile tá níir sin ceol tradiisiúnta hall sa Bhriotáin míall gur réigean ceilteach é. So as a ceolsach sin cos le ceolsógan I glór bailí. So si just a gurí tugann siad ceoltar éarnach sála an blion. Sean runnar tatú de ceoltar tradiisiúnta go maiid na deisinaí ain tú. Tá si do chuirte. Like, tá Caroline Megan hall san Astral fi láthair a casa ceol. Agus daoine eile go leannig mert si thala Morocco is dóilm fi láthair. I mean, chuim se go Washington DC agus go dtíon iú as 100 leis a ceol. So, telling mas ceoltar tradiisiúnta who fecinn tú an dóin na lig.
Bhí má cancela thing if you seachtainí seachtain where it's like tá daoine a bhínig seannim trad tá this in like carneal taviad an heel where it's like there's a whole normal to dífa a bheith ag seannim I pub ag a cuiigealthgur mágin leir an like cheer gan ein thing eile on or whatever agus gan ein pie na ein rud na could be rudder just purely just ag seannim stuff whatever agus sin an leadar gin bis ag seannim a score nach tran like again ag aras nach tran na ag Féile all war na ag gig all war highlight this is literally ag túrá leis an ceol go dtí in Europe like like but ten there rud ho just kind of like like Tarlíonn seo like they must steal leis a gang as Ballon Turbert agus sin be ma genú toured on Sheen.
Up Ballon Turbert.
So you can't get the shout out in there.
But sin rud is stress faoi na is léir gur passionné de ceoltarí tradiisiúnta seachas just aige a hiú as fiú na ceoltarí lán aimsere tá siad san fós de na leihintí sin a caiú just a casí ceol gan airgaidir be ní a gcónaí cis le hairgaide a hiú a sin siad man rud is stress faoi.
Yeah. Well, it's just sin and rud is clachtaí leis sin in other words it's go clachtaí like if you betcha mí neidirthe the ceoltar edition de nuair a táisiint de gáil le amsere le stad a genuine tradition because it's like céim fá agus stapaí tú.
Yeah, as go háirthe cumáid lomsa ní ceoltar profisiúnta mé, so ní bhím riú a dhéanamh fa chunne cisne income agus nar hagann siad de bhealach you're like tá seo actually ionta jazz. But actually, is muoitiú ar cean na bratcha dearga a léit sa mis maithir ag an kosher cé Eagrán. Dúirtas cé go neurum go gasam an concertín nar chuúla tú nach gasam níor tú nar chuúla tosam mé casú dúir tú tí nach gasan tú riú.
Dúirt mé nach gasan tú agus ní ag asmóthir na éting go fecinsa whatever agus níama a ré ach couple le in dhéag an dhearna an Eagrán sin bhí TikTok Swiss ar the lena of ditsa ag seanimman concertina. So I'm just saying bhí se not rag gur chunkra mé gur tú speecher.
Ma Arkansas ar mo TikTok chusí mis chur fi an I casú concertina sus I rí siran an nolog. So sin an céad ceanta feici águtsa.
Whoopsie.
Okay. Stop it treads.
James
Carter again agus ní éon agin míart, okay?
Gainte gur maigad gur mí. Shut up, James.
No. Kid le feicil Brittany.
Okay, so tá cúpla rud simúlan. Tá rud amháin simúlan món San Michel, níos go chuúla se bríomh fa sin. Agus is So is suirt sépéil agus bailbegé a tócha ar like Ilan I lár suirt isce so ní higlad acht fáiligin ar tá an taide muoi I rithe lei. So cai tú tim an sús dír ceige agus siúlann tú tríd sa cool sis ar cos na pilgrimage dul Susanna. Sin sort é Tá coppla bailí beag cute sa Bhriotáin whimsical, crepes agus macarons as and what have you. But
Almond croissant.
croissant, yeah.
Dans la boulangerie.
Oh, très bien.
That's why.
Jane Frankie sure chancers in this fun second.
Les chancers.
Les chancers.
No, mohim nach me focal cos le chancer oku e Django na Frankie shit,
No,
she drew class.
Yeah.
Literally.
I think that would even a Joker's the pack I could like.
No.
Losers.
No. Kaimud show heckle.
Chanceliers.
Les Chanceliers.
Les Chanceliers. Oui.
Yeah.
What these bougie na rob súleis go na cúislegan.
Actually, I'm going to cartoon show and Actesha feminine, so it's La Chancelier.
Di me a ra sa plural.
Oh, lei, Elliot. Oh, Carganish.
Well, rinne mé stadger an rankish, so a bheith réna gurí.
You'd hope so.
A bheith albal a couple of ruddy anyway.
Whoopsie. James, Cowell to Seagal or the Sarah?
Boston, baby.
Oh my god, classic early.
What needs fair na mochian?
In fairness.
In fairness, when we're on the phone needs Connemara. Nah. I'm going out of mod, Boston, go Boston.
Dar Costa, I go Boston to look here and like I'll go rack iron and get a bunch of shots. Just like, counts.
Tá sé costa gulti dollar immerke go, go Joe.
James, please tire Rash to the hall. That not for instruction do so James. Come on. Attention lum. James.
Yeah, to my father board and
that flights on. Just let
How much they bugger right? I know go need to go to Mara, but ta I let the etchels go Americanish.
I mean, what's going to fucking shoulder off the noon?
Nish kaitu ave rahi art le conas on air. It's like Wright Brothers style. Mata de Al Trasna. But no, it's fair.
What's going American more? What's fucking American more? What's do Clore Bother? What's going fucking? They got timing. Can fucking shoulder noon.
American more.
American more.
Because American Vic. Stay with the end in Boston.
Oh, like the just
goal. Hawaii goal.
My actually give us pal. Law one.
La high low way.
Yeah, and then it's the pub every other day, baby. It's
gas.
So Tom was going noon on. And on down the law for him, go be Martha. Agus Thomas give his Cluhe Holland and I in the Connemara Gaels. He can't in a Boston and if they hit 3 will agus sin tá iche allhór na Gael I Bostún na Florian Hall an saharing sin agus in sin chuid an seachtain tá man go bheith smúsáil locht Bostún chun rob píneochaí da sa rua a chuirt gon chearrua chun go mach an tilhailse a chuir ar borcín dat in seo I grílór príomhchahar chunmar.
Okay. So it's airgid atá sibh a cuairtú sinné.
So it's a business trip. It's a business trip, baby.
Tá sibh just a gimmert clí pello just le the hásúgs. Really tá sibh a craithú na bucadí, A sibh gus leis na páirte polítíochta hain sá le an amsú do blian,
Tá actually raffling ar an iche agus tá dúisina haar bar on.
Jersey Carua.
Tá tickets on. Oh, tá Genzi Carua on. Yeah, 100%.
Yeah, Carua.
Tá tickets on go chluiche canis na héing sa pel.
Oh!
Tickets go chluiche canis na héing san ómáin.
Tá
corach diantamach a model go corach.
Okay.
Thuas go duine cíns fáil on. Tá Genzi na Galibh signed when the himróí ar fád. Yeah, Elaine. So tá muide coming in with the bang.
A gélíonnta sa gobé be sin gansaí na Galibh at a síní ar fád ag imráí an caharua, cos it's just ní bheith ha bheith sacu an difer.
Ní le imanaho an ceharua.
No.
Ní imanaho iad an teoisian den chundé chorbe.
Well, that was some pen going showing at the moment, you say.
So beit us a báte in Irish Americans an tá le go tú hálan sin.
Oh yeah, tá mis go tá rudí booked tá mis go the Stadium the Red Sox,
Mars Cart.
Stadium the Celtics,
Mars Cart.
which is also Stadium the Bruins.
Mars
Go
Cart.
ag Stadium the Pats, mo Gillette Stadium. Go ag Harvard le brand a soccer.
Oh cool.
Go couple so I'm going to be sporty James during the day. I was drunk James during the night.
I mean, that's
With the
just your
business.
ideal James. Sin an sort níor an daoine céin recipe agat le bheith sunna. Sílam gur sin do idris na bé.
Yeah. Well, like I could take her or leave an old now with my first child. Like you crawl and making these what is that?
Tá just casuáinnig James. Céin museum bhfuil a chun Kurt her agus tú hall in Boston.
Harvard Museum. Agus tá má go actually má go cinnéin. Níos am bisgéling níos am like just how the swing sem choin go méidir go bheith má chlárbán go gin má som ed.
Oh! Agus
Oh my god. Oh my god.
Bhí mar glantar na radigan, yeah.
Agus sin béidir go mar like, oh my god, ceach the fucking on those shit. He was like, oh, Tá Samson square root good -1. It's an imaginary number. Tá Samson.
Ben came sa mata I could you latter Jeru.
Yeah, I didn't look, James, to get Fáilte Harvard agus bheith gimmers peile le hé I chéad sibri leis be mis like rá. Ho! Ach tá net a dul go siam máile, so kid was another for Tom.
A Caribbean podcast.
Was non seal. Non bring loads of vercohorts se. Count me in. We'll do a leap gonna a concert.
No, kaitu ra like kaitu na demands vegat cos le sa scanan sin the blind side. So kaitu ra like cahi mahain as ma virt cara en agus Hugh ve mar na cé dini a Hughlin ar an bark don céad clíthe a bhí ógam. You know, kaitu list more
of the mascots.
Yeah.
Michi gus aine ar go glúine just like waddling is ja an park. But it's great.
Glocky Mrs. Hugh na crinithe le glat ní ligi bud dit ceanna glocu le.
Yeah. Jan hing shin. Yeah. Absolutely.
Tú héin is Hugh. Tus an héin sílam a tá dulsáil gan dúlgus gan bheith obair nó genú rudéigen bhfuil tú fáil íocht na chuine ar bhealach nó.
Agus in fairness, like bí mu am go fi Hugh le go mín se brandú ar a Scáán a brandú ar féidir tights I thugáil a chéad a golóir.
Yeah.
You know, agus a náisteacht. I speedos. So ach tá tú go ag actually rud ionintach má. So
Mis gal yes here agus an am seach. So an seachting agus budget halfid seán Tá ag go bheith a Tenerife le a Hailach. Agus tú nach chumach le bheith go braine I think actually cut the pel chlor stuff go le dhéanú, so I'd say be laptop lom, but sure look but be mar Tenerife le Chaile le ha breithla mo wether I si seaca agus
okay, 60 woo.
I know I'm not looking a day over 59 agus but Sean Rudd though the breithla ma ether in sin in me shop. And it's like, yeah, Jenny would run but Sean, la 60th. Mom, like, oh my god, like, you know, agus faster bay dad and shit. No, obviously been generally about that la dad. But never much a country, it was like, oh, especially like, and me in EA mo 60th. I was there much you can special and I'm caring la breath la dad, because we should like, oh yeah. So it's always so just all our
just ginger there, you know.
Sáidir connect on the priorities. So we chat the ration shin or in Sheila jig agus and shin cookishniation. Sweet Jesus, cookishniation. Be ma agus I'm actually raging in it. Go to in Boston, James, because be misha America and seachtainí díreach in Asian agus be ma gal go Philadelphia la high Wrestlemania. But ní wang Wrestlemania. Tá ma gal hig Sean itinerary togum, right? Jaluna Landau. March clíe 76ers, so basketball kisfel. Di cheadine ag foiáil Philadelphia ag séalgur mágin le gáil go Boston le an sinfa dul trasna go Worcester an acle Boston le gáil ag show an ced show wrestling don tam muin sin. ag fána from Worcester ag full plain arás go Philadelphia le bheith landalte ag híine go thugur mágin. Actually le bheith landalte ag déag thugur mágin. Le dul ag show wrestling eile ag híine go thugur mágin. Le sin go ag show wrestling eile ag siúm trimpler dehanné seacht sa tróna. Le gáil ag show eile wrestling siúm triple harf an híine go thug san líe. Agus an sin ar an aine tá show wrestling eile agam an líe sin ag trimpla go hátalóg. An sin an mágin in dhééis tá show wrestling eile agam ag mám le in dhééis sin tá Wrestlemania a hénig tarl an ced ihe de Wrestlemania so bhí sin arsúil. An le in dhééis sin ar an dónach bit tá night 2 of Wrestlemania agus an sin ar an lún tá Raw Aftermania so ceanna like an season premiere don ced blian eile do WWE ar an lún agus is chatarrás an March. So le sin ní show wrestling le haid sé le Tá hon bus.
Hugh tá mé bortha fut.
Yeah.
Nah, bhí grand.
Since when go day 2 go WrestleMania?
Hashi se le linn I think it's just your ribbon pandem actually. She's like came for a yanning which wang go shaw because dealing to the mahan day so it's like yen should double an arrogant and it's like yeah new hard yeah so basically the Tyler and Caddy he is like being like kind of like main events and stuff and whatever agus then better setup done Caddy hiala so like Liana Bay the Rock ag wrestled on Kedder lilin like Jake Liana ar an cadí here agus rud a tarlaíonn ar an cadí here it'll have an effect ar cadtá an tarlú ar an darna here it's a main event. Tá se unreal. Tá se deadly.
So they're going to nui ócáid wrestling.
Yeah.
And then they're going to club kishfan for sure.
Yeah. Agus seans go raithimh ag show wrestling eile a thuirsúil ar an lún. Beidir tá like sweeter fall an bus siar go New Jersey le eáil canela.
As ní rós gom gomaid gur dul ag Tenerife dear go bhré. Now, I know go méid ar sir, but mar dúirtú bit to go burn sin.
Yeah.
So, tá tú what Urclig chunta sí sa Spáin, yeah, Urclig?
No, it's Tenerife is so it's a Girach
she's fine. Okay, so I like Cudine Shin. Tá tú dul ó Achuan. Do you need to doing,
Yeah.
Bit to Christa.
Oh, so near my god, Girach ó Tenerife go Philadelphia. Oh my god, no ní dhéanning sin.
Okay, well, cévid lá tá idir an dachin.
Tan Féile is so man seo.
Such a busy guy.
Tá chart arás ar leile feidir basically. So like be my rashik manny here in cheoil Jake, so ar leile feidir basically, and then it's cushioniation then.
Okay.
It should be my Philadelphia.
Okay.
So okay.
So near walk. But
I mean, just to my goal around is during go bioki to sus chinnis egan idro jera and trave session America mar ta shin crackalte and schedule sin.
Yeah, níim sé cloisteáil éon colta.
Yeah, sin go my speaker. Would you actually like go york in a colu herbe?
Well, so to couple not like as in the couple of Majin Nakwa show or Biogum. So I'd say by my just like Skrister and the Hindishana.
Show cos lesson erectus, Colleen tus na wee hours or much.
Yeah.
Literally. But Shane and Doyle Wohin Shah like this. It's like because the much gonna be lame charter and Kahar like dull like na show near Fod Shah. Agus, I'd say agus an fast is like Jerry Gabulin, which I think apparently like gang us Aaron ag dull. Because the Carlums, Kindle last dull sheerlum. Tá ag tréna le bheith mar wrestlers like hasha gurker in COVID agus nista go homa gaflis agus tá a Gary bheith mar wrestler agus dúirte leis a múnseir a bhí ige dúirte bronarm like hí bhí má timppel in shafting seo marall go bh mai Wrestlemania agus dúirte nabí éon burthe art tá a land an lads ag dul trasta agus fásta tá an lad baleis an barber is a James Thig but lia the shashnig dul sheer faster so like I'm just bail and air in the on like Cave and Gate agus bail like the like neat and I'd say like fact in the Dean care and the care so I think just basically like cracker die I did won't shall do so like kosher all war at the got air show
but je cosle sort other voices that develop because be to boot just hobble inta dini as a dulhig like a rehart fud na car leis a daoine céine seo. I take a múla tú leis an air sin like cardio or a Holland.
Yeah, agus just faster like tá like hanning te gafa leis an stuff céarna. Now, tá couple of stereotype fí fans wrestling a tá má imníach faoi the where I dul imachtaí seo. I will be bringing more deodorant just le haid na dingy heart arm na arm pain. A couple of dingy to like fi my couple of show of agus neuro particularly particularly it was quite a humid environment, you know the one nearing.
It's just cool, like that. They take a last like road at a bucket list, like you know. It's in class, like should I do Super Bowl, like
basically. Agus like ní like Jerhing nach nyanhi ma thurs mar shaw a reach lin like laid like shapely an ella like Shaw like and Rod is like Shaw and thurs is mo le scale like wrestling do se and heel real. Tá really gary gol hig Japan faste le hai so tá lagin like tá Wrestlemania saku hein aku in mianer. I used to get but like my gary go Japan around those.
Yeah, the Michigan go to Japan.
Yeah, but Jenning shinnig tus because shinnig tus me honor. So Jenning shinnig tus and me because shin and Kojala done road will be you know just like Tasha Chimpler in Japan and it would just happen to be go we hig like and bucket list item Elisha. But Shaw like ni it's honest to God it's in Rotherway to on punch for heat let end then you feel like have a whole buzzing da. Agus Baymag vlog on other faste. Carter cashed arm Shaw yanu so they so that thing be telling Lance sure Instagram just be Ray because it'll just be whack after whack after whack and gan ein collar would be
well to much ligging our jet setters carta could be well be mish actually dull Aaron Modge you'll be happy to know James Neil made older echelon I think we'll aid or James in it.
Ní as go that's long like
walk to Ain Rio but
Ain
big metal Ain well she'm go check in doing to go the boarding passes printed the mahags that logo just see a carriage in this so I'd say a game which craic her leis an Sraith ar dúspar a caiimar muid ar buíoch allhór a chuir tá ahanine a bhí géis leis an Sraith seo just like to like peel back the curtain a wee bit whatever Shaw and Sraith is like successful young and real like Shaw like in Jeremy like a story for the mission so obviously sin the wear dingy scapuin scale agus a canchfi agus ag teachtaigh na seoí bea agus ruidir mission so gan an takeíart ní bheith muid lunch in a rest so gur mí agus a haine a bhí géisiart a bhí wrench a bhí ag fléad leir go chuide a bhí na seoí bea a cheanna ticket like a handle in it like gur mí agad as up sin gan dead be rás le Sraith nua gan bhfuil agus bé a lion crack again ag an Sraith agus bé ma Jenny social bia le lin na bliana so conní súla ar na socials mission Bedger gur Jenny was kin haar lear Bedger I would love to ein leisá le dollar sera le Jenny sin Ted Sera Jenny sin rud an Jenny them Jenny show like in Vegas agus just Jenny
more likely big showing in an Isle of Man.
Oh yeah.
I mean, tá Connor tá crave the Connor na Gaeilge in London.
Oh.
You know.
No, ben was one
Féile fecal.
International waters. Gotí sin gur maid le Vegas le Chanceliers tá muid Instagram Chanceliers, Twitter Chanceliers agus YouTube Chanceliers agus féidir le argad aoní galanta an sin. Mas gurí Áine Amsterdam host the more anywhere Instagram, anywhere Twitter agus anywhere TikTok. Mas gurí James Amsterdam host the more flyer tack Instagram, flyer tack Twitter agus flyer tack TikTok. Pesh our detox, but like just Lane or ain't those. Like better a couple of chats about Jazz again. So something for him to come back to their tag and share own detox books again. You wouldn't believe the stuff that Mr. Currick James Féile. Listen, let me tell you. A lot of perspective shots. Agus faster. But the Mahana answer the man hosted them. We're Hugh Carr here or Instagram, Hugh Carr here or Twitter, which is Gra Hugh Carr or TikTok. Ein Rodella, guy much flug alnish, Solar Rihin much Lynn. Hig our good airport knee.
No, but I love a cliffhanger. So nervous with that, they agon a hian in cheoil into my on Foger more times go pop on the leg.
Oh, Jay.
la.
Ooh la la. Tá si gur táistan ceráid eile leis just
Yeah.
sin. All right. Buddy salt Jerry shot to buddy salt as and brushu agus be much canceled of initiation. Sinead on Chanceliers and Sraith Slan agus Banner.
Slan.